to earlier, Adam and his mother, Jenny. And Adam, you are so exciting to get your red bike without wheels. Just talk about just learning to ride that bike.
Well, it's going to be really fun. I'm probably going to ride it all the time when I have like free time from homework. And it's going to be really fun. I can't wait to ride it and enjoy it. And I'll like oil it anytime it needs to get oiled. And it'll be really fun riding it.
Okay, cool. And Jenny, what has this done for him just to be able to have that freedom?
There's nothing like seeing a smile on your child's face for accomplishing something. And so for Adam to have accomplished this and to have found the confidence in it has been wonderful.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, you guys need to get out on the walk. You've been waiting patiently for us to get this live shot going on because you got a basketball game to go to, right? Okay, we're going to let them go. We're going to, just show you the people that are getting ready here to go out on the walk. There's still time if you want to race on down here and register. Registration did start at 6:30. They're going to finish up at about 9 o'clock. So if you wanted to race on down here and sign up and walk and raise some money for autism and Asperger's.
That's a great cause, Gail. And Jenny's doing something right because Adam says he's going to ride his bike after he does his homework.
That's right. Very good. And later on, we're going to go inside the zoo. We're going to show you where the finish line is and talk a little bit more about this great event.
Very cool. Can't wait. See you soon, Gail.